How did you sleep last night, Carol?
I thought the top of the camper was gonna blow away, like the Wizard of Oz.
I thought so too.
Oh wow, Luke's still sleeping. Jen's getting all fashioned ready.
I'm chilly.
We all take it different ways.
Look at, there's so many guys in orange.
That guy, straight ahead.
Straight ahead.
Yes.
Get out of the way, guy.
He's saying get in lane 3. Okay.
Farther than you think. Left side of the road.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh boy. Open the door. There's the sky. How cool is this?
So cool.
3.5 hours later, we are at the South Island. Thanks, guys. Great job.
Driving on the right side of the road.
Kia ora.
Jen's driving on the left side of the road for the first time. How you doing, babe?
This is not fun.
How do you like it?
I don't like it.
Oh, go slow.
Watch out for those people.
Yeah, I see people. Okay, where am I going? Put
You're
the
gonna go
phone
straight through the roundabout.
Okay, help me.
To the left.
To the left?
But go
So you
straight
look
through.
to the
Go
right.
left, but then you're going up that way.
Go further than you think.
Yes, yes.
But not too far where you're gonna hit that.
Babe, now you're just making me nervous.
A
Wow.
plus. So we made it to Picton. That ferry was well done. It was just a late ferry. It wasn't late until 3:30. Didn't get in until 7. Tired, long day. But here in Picton on the South Island, it is just beyond words. It's so beautiful. Check this out. It's maybe my favorite beach cove in the world that I've seen so far. It is just so beautiful. It reminds me of chill Santa Barbara.
signs to be wins the race. Okay.
Nothing like our box in the water. New Zealand is so gorgeous. We're here. We just got to the South Island last night, and we were in a car for about 6 hours today, driving to the west coast from Picton, and the road was just gorgeous. So we're sitting here now at a Freedom campsite along the beach.
There's tons of mosquitoes.
So yeah, and so now we're just, you know, watching the sunset on the beach, and Jennifer just cooked some shrimp scampi with her mom for dinner. It was delicious. And so yeah, I'm gonna have a chill night, and there's a market here tomorrow morning. Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
So far, South Island is pretty cool.
South Island for the win.
Besides the mosquitoes.
Yeah, lots of mosquitoes.
And we're going to do your laundry today.
Who's doing my laundry?
Laundry day.
Jen and I.